Today in the Daily Mirror, in the center page article, Mr. Satyamurthy mentioned that there is a third force developing. He mentioned Shivaji Lingam and myself as the third force, and it is creating an alternative to the policies of both these capitalist candidates. Now, these two candidates uh, stand for exactly the same policy. Both of them support the economic development based on global capital. They wanted to do everything to bring foreign investors, multinational investors here, and for that purpose, they want to borrow money from elsewhere and develop roads and other things, irrespective of the effect of such development on the people. That is the development scheme that they have in mind, to create the conditions so that multinationals will come here and invest. But for the last 30 years, we have been following this open economic policy and pleading to the multinationals. But we have failed to develop our country. Instead, we have destroyed our own resources, destroyed human rights, and there were rebellions both in the south and in the north. Irrespective of the slogans, these two rebellions arose because of the destruction caused by the so-called development program dictated by the global capital. Now, both these parties were involved in bringing this economic disaster to our country, and in addition, they collaborate with each other to suppress the uprising both in the south and in the north. In the recent past, in the last 4 years, Mahinda Rajapaksa was supported by Sarath Fonseca. In fact, he was the leading military figure in the repressive war. Then the leader of the UNP, Karu Jayasuriya, though he is referred to as the deputy leader, in the present moment he is really the leader of the party. He was a member of the cabinet and was holding the very serious post of public administration till a few months ago. And he resigned after the war has been completed. And he clearly indicated that he went to the Mahinda cabinet to carry out the military policy and see that the rebellion of the Tamil people is crushed. Once he is satisfied that it has been eliminated, then only he joined the opposition. And he says now he wants to directly get involved in the development process, and Mahinda is incapable of that. Then if you look at the JVP was with the government and collaborated with the social policy, and they were responsible for bringing the chauvinist ideology into Mahinda camp. Now they have shifted and they are now supporting Sarath Fonseca. So if you look at the components of the oppositional camp, they are all were one way or the other involved in the Mahinda Chintana. Now they are claiming to be an oppositional camp. So there is no choice for the people. But they stand for same economic policy, military policy, political policy. But one, they accuse each other of corruption and inefficiency. And Sarath Fonseca says, I am a new man to politics, therefore I am not corrupt. Mahinda says, I am an old hand in politics, I have more experience. This is the debate that is going on. But both are equally bankrupt in economic policy, dangerous in their military policy. So therefore, we are putting forward an oppositional platform. They are Tamil MP Sivaji Lingam has uh, given his candidature, and as two candidates we are campaigning to build a common movement. This is a new idea. We want to mobilize as much as possible in order to defeat the main reactionary candidates in the first round. If we achieve that, that's the biggest achievement in the recent past. Because within this political system, this kind of selection, one thing that we have to see is that these people are defeated in the first round, so that the dictatorial presidency is negated by that time. So therefore we are, even though we are contesting as two candidates, we are on a common program of obtaining a certain percentage of vote, so that both candidates will be disabled and they will not be able to get 50% in the first count. And this we think we can achieve, and thereafter we want to move on to a bigger mass movement, a social democratic progressive mass movement, which is against global capitalist adventures, and also will stand for the right of self-determination of the Tamil people.